So, if you're an accounting or finance professional here in Pakistan, let me ask you something. Are you ready to stop just reporting on the past and actually start shaping your company's future? If you're looking to make that leap from number cruncher to strategic leader, well, this explainer is going to show you the way. So, how exactly do we make that happen? First, we're going to talk about that big mindset shift, from accountant to strategist. Then we'll dig into what the CMA qualification actually is. After that, we'll look at the seriously cool modern toolkit it gives you. And finally, we'll map out the incredible career path it can unlock. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with a big idea here. We're talking about a fundamental change in how you see your role, moving from the person who explains what happened to the person who helps decide what happens next. Does this sound a little too familiar? Spending your days compiling reports, closing the books, always looking in the rearview mirror at what's already happened, instead of having a say in what's coming up on the road ahead? And that's the real game changer. You stop being just the scorekeeper, and you become a key player in building the future. It's all about using your financial smarts to actively push the business forward, not just document its past. So, what's the vehicle that gets you there? Well, that brings us to the CMA qualification. It's specifically designed for people who want to be those strategic leaders in the world of finance. So, what is a CMA really? Well, the Cost and Management Accountant certification is all about turning raw financial data into smart strategic action. So instead of just preparing a report, you learn how to use that information to guide the company's internal planning, to help make those tough decisions, and to spot opportunities for growth from the inside. Now, a question I hear all the time is, how is this any different from the ACCA? And it's a great question. Think of it this way. ACCA often looks outward. It's focused on compliance, external audits, reporting to investors. The CMA, on the other hand, looks inward. It's all about using financial intelligence to help your own management team, to streamline costs, and to drive strategy from within the business itself. So, what makes the CMA so powerful? Well, for one, it's globally recognized, which means your skills are in demand everywhere. But maybe more importantly, it really hones in on strategic thinking and how to apply it in the real world, not just theory. It's designed to build your leadership muscles in absolutely crucial areas like budgeting, cost control, and corporate governance. Okay, let's talk about the curriculum, because this is where you build what I like to call your modern finance toolkit, the exact skills you need to thrive in today's economy and tomorrow's. The program is a journey laid out in 3 clear steps. You start at the operational level, building that rock-solid foundation. Then you move to the managerial level, where you start applying those skills to real-world business scenarios. And finally, you get to the strategic level. This is where you learn to think like a top executive, guiding the entire organization. And I want to be really clear, this curriculum is not stuck in the past. It is absolutely designed to be forward-looking, giving you skills that are in super high demand right now. I mean, check this out. This is a course from the very first level, the operational level, generative AI and business productivity. How cool is that? You're not just learning debits and credits, you're learning how to apply AI to forecasting, how to automate routine tasks, and even how to navigate the ethics of it all. This is the stuff that makes you stand out. So, you've built this amazing toolkit. What does your career path actually look like? Well, this is where the CMA really pays off, because it's all about unlocking those C-suite and other top-level opportunities. The opportunities are just huge. CMAs are wanted everywhere, across all of Pakistan's top industries. We're talking manufacturing, banking, FMCG, IT, you name it. And these aren't just entry-level jobs. We're talking about really strategic roles, financial analyst, internal auditor, and even positions that put you on a direct track to that coveted CFO office. So, what's the bottom line for you and your career? Simple. You become way more employable, a top candidate for the best companies. You get global recognition, which gives you incredible mobility. You unlock some serious salary growth potential. And most importantly, you get a clear path into the rooms where the big decisions get made. This whole idea is really at the heart of the program. ICMAP, the group that runs it, says it perfectly. It's about combining theoretical concepts with trusted professional competence. In other words, it's that perfect mix of knowing the what and knowing the how. So, in the end, the biggest question isn't just about what you're going to learn. It's about what you're going to do with it. With the strategic toolkit of a CMA in your hands, what kind of future will you help build for your company and for yourself? What strategic decisions will you make?